Okay, good morning. Beautiful day today. Let's see if we can go and buy this extra tank today. Same size the one I got now. So I need to collect all the list of fittings to put the two tanks together. This is what roughly I intend to do, just connect them in the bottom like that. So I need to check what I need. Hello my friend. You look a bit wet. Alright. So I got an idea what I need here. Okay, I just tied up this one here and then seems to work, no leakage, but I don't know until we build a reasonable pressure. It's very low because there's barely any water in the big tank. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fix the big tank now. I got some special seal that works very well. I need to find out anyway what happened to this tank, why there's water coming off, but I need to empty it first. So anyway, let's fix the big tank now. The only problem I'm having is super hot here. So I see if I got all the fittings. I want to put a union here so I can undo the union and I can pull this off every time I need to dismantle the tank, because not easy the way it is. That's on the way, so I may do that. Okay, I need to empty this tank anyway, so I'm gonna collect as much water as possible, put in there. Maybe Mimi saying something to him or her. We don't know yet. It's a male or female, huh?
No, it's a male.
Male? It's a male. Oh, two male. Woo!
They're eating beans, vegetable. They're eating.
Maybe you can put in a separate plate.
No, it's okay.
No?
They need to get along.
Hello, my girl.
Go along with
Z with an S.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a hot day today. Oh, let's go back to that tank. Yeah, not much pressure left, but still, can feel this. Yeah, it's not much pressure left, but still can feel this without me carrying buckets of water. My back not good, so we'll leave it like that. Okay, I'm still thinking whether to buy a second tank, but at the moment I can't. So I'm gonna fix this one anyway. I can fix it. I wanted to put a little piece of rubber underneath, very small one, just to make sure it sits nice and flat. But I'm not going to town today. We're going tomorrow. So if I could get this tank fixed and on position by tonight, that's what I'm trying to do. That would be great. This is the cover from the tank, and it's broken. See, so how I'm gonna to put this together with epoxy perhaps. Maybe epoxy. Not very good. Oh yeah, you can put epoxy here. Just I'll do that. Okay, this union's gonna go here somewhere. It's gonna go here somewhere. So this thing will be easy to pull out after. Yeah, first of all, I'm gonna take this union off here, so I'll relieve the pressure at the end of the pipe up there. That's it. Okay. It stopped about this much from the bottom, just to ensure there's no rubbish going in or dirty water, but eventually I could add a little bit more. That's okay. Okay, I'm looking for the leakage now. The water seems to spread under the tank, but don't need that. I can see straight away. If you look here carefully, that's where the leak is. See here, it's split. So how I'm going to fix that? Good clean up first. Looks like it's been scratched or something, but I don't remember dropping the tank like this so badly. You know, very, very careful actually, and yeah, here too. Wow, it's scratched. So I need to check everywhere. What do you want? You're not. Yeah, you agree. Okay. Okay, at least I found the leak. It's too hot here, guys. I'm going inside. Bag it. Lunchtime. Oh, baby got some beautiful pancake. You like it? Yeah, she's so concentrated on the TV. No good. I got my little salad. Tofu. Nihama. And one of my favorite pasta anyway. I know pasta dangerous, can kill you, but who cares? If you eat once a month, it's not gonna kill you. Let's wait for the rain. It's unfinished. I start putting some hot seal on the tank. But I wanted to redo the pipe and I got caught all of a sudden. Yeah, so can't do nothing now. Just the main thing is get the water away from the house. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. Running so much. And strong wind too. All I need is half an hour. I'm soaked, completely soaked. It's okay, let's go home anyway, can't do much more today. You see if the rain stop, I may come back work here. If not, just go back inside. Oh, my glasses, I can't see anything. Oh, this is so soft. Pants, everything's soft. Alright, let's go home. It's raining so much. My tank wasn't ready. Damn it. I put the top out to make sure the seal dry, and tomorrow we'll see. Wow. It's gone for the day. Pity. It will rain tomorrow. Okay, that's it for today, I guess. Still rainy a bit, but I wanted to show you what I've done and why. Okay, let's have a look at here. See, I put some seal around here. Sorry, maybe you can't see very well, but I had a leak when I first installed all those piping. It was a little jet there. So somebody introduced me to this seal. I'll show you in a sec. Okay, liquid seal. Here it is. 65 pesos, so cheap. It's not funny. Alright, so I put that around the pipe where it was leaking. I mean, there's 40 psi on there. And I wait 2 days actually. After that, I ran the pump, everything, and never leak again. So here what I've done is that I sand it, clean, and then put heaps of it. So let it dry. Tomorrow we see. We'll put everything back together. See how we go. I need to redo this. It's all broken, collapsed. Just worried I hope not have too much water under the house. That's why I put this temporary. That's all I could find at hand. It was under the house. Anyway, we'll continue tomorrow. I already had my bath. I don't feel like doing anything anymore. Over 4 o'clock now. Let's see what Jam's doing. Ah, here they are. Don't jump on me. Are you tied up? That's very good. Because they go to the road. That's how we lost Max. Here's my wife working hard. It's good. Is that for tomorrow?
Yeah.
So that's why you told me you got a headache, you don't want to go to there? You got delivery tomorrow?
Yeah. I was so tired yesterday.
Oh, melon? Is that cocoa melon?
Something.
Okay. Another birthday of a kid. Very good. Yeah, I know my voice very loud.
You can adjust
Uh,
it.
that's what at school my teacher always asked me to read stories because my wife was very my wife because my voice was very loud and I could talk with a tone and everything. Once upon a time,
Are you challenging me?
okay, I'm going back home. So I run away where we try to tie it up because they go on the road. We don't know where Coco is. Coco disappeared, but we had a look all along the road. We found nobody, nothing. She's been taken away, I reckon. Terrible. Anyway, let's get inside. It's getting wet. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.